Amid all this, if there is one angle that has come as the biggest turn, is the alleged drug link. India Today has accessed now further WhatsApp chats from July and August 2019. This is of a staff member of the late actor Sushant Singh Rajput, where they are discussing and arranging, if I can use the word, doobies, which is a slang term for marijuana cigarettes, for themselves and also for Sushant Singh Rajput. Shawik, Ria's brother, is also a part of these chats discussing drug along with other staff members of the late actor. In another chat that has been accessed, Sushant's friend and flatmate Siddharth Pitani also inquiring from the staff member if Sushant had marijuana cigarettes. Samuel Miranda, who is the house manager, had also sent messages to Ria informing her the stuff was over. In another chat with Ria, Samuel Miranda even sent pictures of weed to Ria, to which she has responded with an exclamation of wow. Responding to some of these chats, and there are some visuals on your screen as well, the sister of the late actor Shweta Singh Kirti, she's been very vocal on social media. She's now demanding that those involved in all these chats must be arrested. She's questioning what must one conclude by looking at these chats. Sushant's former girlfriend Ankita Lokhande has spoken on this, expressing shock over these chats. So because of this drug angle possibly emerging, the Narcotics Bureau has started its probe into Ria Chakrabarty's possible links, but after only Enforcement Directorate intimated the Bureau about the chats. The Anti-Narcotics Agency is now probing additional leads provided by the Enforcement Directorate and is likely to summon people who are featured in this conversation. Conversations obtained by the ED from mobile phones after forensic cloning. Ria's brother Shawik, talent manager Jaya Saha, hotelier Gaurav Arya, Sushant's former house manager Samuel Miranda will also be summoned. The Narcotics Bureau has asked its informers as well to gather all possible information regarding people who are listed in these chats. The NCB has distributed work assigned to different teams to probe into all the inside details and perhaps if there is a link and a trail of this. So what has Ria Chakrabarty replied to these allegations? In one first and exclusive interview with India Today's consulting editor Rajdeep Sardesai in Mumbai, Ria Chakrabarty has said she never consumed drugs in her life and that she was ready for medical tests anytime. Listen into this interview.
एंड नार्कोटिक्स ड्रग कंट्रोल भी आपको क्वेश्चन कर सकती है, क्योंकि कहीं ना कहीं ये सवाल उठ रहा है कि क्या रिया का ड्रग पेडलर्स, ड्रग डीलर्स के साथ कोई कनेक्शन है।
ये यही बचा था ना अब मेरे ऊपर डालने के लिए कि इस लड़की को इतना क्रूसिफाई कर दो। मैं तो बोलती हूँ एक बंदूक के ले आओ, मेरी फैमिली लाइन से खड़ी हो जाएगी, गोली मार के उड़ा दो हमें, नहीं तो हम ही सुसाइड कर लेते हैं, फिर कौन रिस्पॉन्सिबल होगा। I deny all these allegations. They are absolutely baseless. और मैं इनके डिटेल्स में सिर्फ एक रीजन के लिए नहीं जाना चाहूंगी कि ये मेरे आगे की इन्वेस्टिगेशन और केस को तंग कर सकता है।
फिर भी मैं पूछूंगा और आप अपना जवाब दे सकती है। 3 चैट्स है। 2017 में एक चैट होती है एक होटेलियर गौरव आर्या के साथ, जहां कहा जाता है कि आप एक तरह से एमडीएमए ट्राई करना चाहती है। आप कहती हैं मैरिजुआना के बारे में बात होती है। इन केस वी स्पीक अबाउट हार्ड ड्रग्स, आई हैवंट डन टू मच, ट्राइड एमडीएमए वंस। ये मैसेज व्हाट्सएप का सब चैनल्स पर चल रहा है। ये 2017 में है। आपने कभी एमडीएमए लिया है?
जी नहीं, आई हैव नेवर टेकन एनी ड्रग्स।
तो ये ट्राइड एमडीएमए वंस?
नेवर, एंड आई एम विलिंग टू डू अ ड्रग टेस्ट।
सो यू डिनाई दिस कॉन्वर्सेशन?
आई डिनाई।
विद गौरव आर्या?
यस।
यू डोंट नो हिम?
No, I do know him, but I deny the contents of this conversation and I will like to reserve the rest of this for the investigation.
In 2019, एक जया करके है आपकी दोस्त, उसके साथ भी एक कॉन्वर्सेशन होती है जहां कहा जाता है कि कहीं ना कहीं आप चाय में सीबीडी डाल दीजिए, जो एक तरह से कैनबिस से जुड़ी हुई है, ड्रग से जुड़ी हुई है, लेकिन प्रिस्क्रिप्शन भी है। मैं पूछना चाहता हूं, आप सुशांत को सीबीडी क्यों देना चाहती थी? ये कहा जाता है चाय के प्याले में आप सीबीडी डालिए।
मैं नहीं देना चाहती थी। उन्होंने जया से एक ऑल्टरनेटिव थेरेपी मांगी थी और उनकी आपस में कोई बात हुई थी जिसकी सिर्फ कोऑर्डिनेशन मेरे फोन पे है। ना मैंने उनके चाय में कुछ डाला, उन्होंने खुद किया होगा जो किया होगा। लेकिन अगेन सर, I don't want this to interfere in my investigation, so I don't want to continue this.
Fair enough. My third one is 2020 सैमुअल मिरांडा का एक कॉन्वर्सेशन आया हुआ है कि स्टॉक इज ओवर. इससे यह पता चलता है कि या तो आप ड्रग ले रही थी या सुशांत ले रहा था. सच्चाई क्या है?
इट्स अनफॉर्चुनेट कि किसी के गुजर जाने के बाद हमें उनकी वाइसेस को ऐसे एक्सप्लॉइट करना होता है, पर अब मेरे पास कोई ऑप्शन नहीं है. यस, सुशांत यूज्ड टू स्मोक मैरिजुआना, और हाँ, वो काफी रेगुलरली पीते थे. मुझसे मिलने से पहले से पीते थे. इनफैक्ट केदारनाथ की शूटिंग या उससे जरा सा पहले से उन्होंने शुरू किया था ये. और मैं इनफैक्ट उन्हें कंट्रोल करने की कोशिश करती थी. सिर्फ इसी डिपार्टमेंट में मैं उन्हें कंट्रोल करने की कोशिश करती थी. मैं कट डाउन करने की कोशिश करती थी. लेकिन ही वॉज अ मैन ऑफ हिज ओन चॉइसेस. ही वॉज अ ग्रोन मैन who chose what he wanted to do, and nobody could stop him.
You did not encourage him to take drugs.
Absolutely not. In fact, I have a
Even
chat.
though he was on the habit, वो ड्रग पर है, लेकिन आपने कभी उनको encourage नहीं किया.
नहीं, मैंने.
You didn't try to stop him.
I tried to stop him. I tried to stop him, and I tried to tell him to reduce it. But it is something he would do. I never indulged in any
Here
kind
is a
of
man
drugs.
in depression. He's taking drugs. Isn't that a serious situation to be in? I mean, it must have been therefore difficult for him, and you're saying you were unable to stop the person you loved so much.
Exactly, which is my main point, that Sushant did exactly what he wanted to do. If he wanted to smoke drugs, he would smoke drugs. If he wanted to take medication, he would take medications. If he didn't want, nobody on earth could convince him.
And you have never taken drugs with him.
No.
So the Enforcement Directorate has now widened the probe in the Riyadh drug link allegedly. India today has tracked down a mysterious man who's been named, who's been mentioned in those chats, and that man is Gaurav Arya. The ED has put a notice at Gaurav Arya's hotel in Goa. He has been asked to produce himself before the agency by 31st August, which is just 2 days away. His lawyer has claimed he is innocent, will join the probe, and that he's ready to face all questions by the agencies. Remember, it's a 2017 WhatsApp chat accessed by India Today, where Riya is asking Gaurav Arya for MDMA, which is commonly known as ecstasy, is a party drug as well. In another chat, Riya also tells Gaurav Arya she had not done too many hard drugs, only LSD and MDMA once.
No, that's all baseless and false, and I don't know where from all that has come, but my client and I, on behalf of him, I completely deny all drug procurement or drug consumption allegations which are being.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.